All right, let's check this out. Woo! Look at my view right here from my hotel room here in Las Vegas for CES. Not too bad of a view from my dirty window right here. Look at it, it's focusing on the dirtiness of the window, but still a pretty good view here. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, coming to you from my very dirty hotel room, as you can see here in Las Vegas for CES. Today is actually the first official day of CES. It's gonna be a fun day, but a very, very long day. I'm about to head downstairs right now for breakfast with a couple of the guys. You can see I got my badge ready. I'm all ready to go. But today we are going to be vlogging on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Look at that right there. And this is something that, you know, I usually like to do with different devices to really test out the cameras when it comes to video and all types of situations. I think a vlog is pretty much the best way to do that because, you know, we get bad lighting experience. We get experience with good lighting, heavy movement, live movement, and I also get to share my experience with you all for that day. And today is the first day of CES. I'm gonna take you all along with me. I'm starving. I'm about to head downstairs. Got my bag right here ready. Let's see, do I got my mask? Got my mask ready to go. Let's go get some food. So unfortunately, the buffet was closed. We had to come to Starbucks, which is it's getting the job done. But I'm here with the boys. Zach Talks Tech, the Poets, Digital Slang, my tech reviews. What do you think about CES so far? Oh wait, well today's the first day. Yeah. So yeah. PepCom, what do you think about PepCom last night? What do you guys think about PepCom?
PepCom was legit.
Yeah.
Legit.
Made some contacts, saw some cool things.
Cool.
PepCom was nice.
Yeah.
I like all the ice bricks. And
Nice.
The ice bars.
Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, so PepCom last night was a lot of fun. Got to see a lot of cool stuff last night, especially this Back to the Future car. Actually, let me play that video for you right now. I actually recorded a full video of this Back to the Future car that they had. Check this out inside the DeLorean. Look at this. From Back to the Future. What? Flux capacitor. Freaking awesome. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. So as you can see, very, very cool. But you know what? I'm gonna finish my Starbucks. We're gonna finish eating what we have here and then head over to CES and get this day started. Alright, so you cannot come to CES and not visit the Tcl booth. They got one of the coolest booths here at CES. Check this out. Look at this whole setup they got here. Look at this. So check it out. They got a whole setup for their tablets and everything there. They even got laptops. You can see they're looking at the laptops over there. Then they got a whole setup for the smartphones right here. Got old smartphones, new smartphones, and even their foldable, which I showed in a previous video. Very, very cool there, but this one will not be released. And then going over here, we got more phones, as you can see here. And then we got some displays over here. Let's check this out. Very, very cool setup. Look at that. Let's get a wide angle view of this. Boom. Look at how cool that looks. We got some 8K TVs over here. Look at the quality on that right there. Woo. Cannot argue with that right there. Looking good. Got some more TVs over here. The TCL QLED TV. The TCL Game TV, really very, very cool. Look at this guy over here. TCL TV Innovations. Look at all this cool stuff. This whole booth is just freaking awesome. So if you ever decide to visit CES, you have to make sure to visit the TCL booth. Very, very cool. All right, next up is Sony, and check this out. They actually got cars over here. I didn't know Sony had cars. Okay, now I will say that these cars actually look pretty nice. They're looking pretty good over here. That is clean. I would buy this over a Tesla any day. Look at that. Woo. Nice. And this is the whole Sony booth right here. Look at that. Nice big booth we got going on here. All right, so for those of you who haven't been able to get a PS5 yet, check this out. We got 5 of them here for you, all in different colors. We got blue, pink, red, purple, black. Dang, these actually look pretty nice. That blue one right there. Get a close up on that. Look at that. I might have to get one of those for myself right there. And then we got the controllers to match it. The lighting is kind of dark right here. What if I get a close up? Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get one of these colors right here. Nice, nice, nice. So the sign is telling me we can win a drone. Not really sure how. And I think this is the drone we're trying to win right here. Look at this thing flying around in there. Who's flying it? Oh, this guy's flying it right there. Look at that. Pretty cool. Looks smooth. It's got a camera on it. All right, all right. All right, so we're gonna try to win this drone, but look at how long this line is for everybody trying to enter this thing. It's just lowering my chances, man. But we're gonna win.
Name and phone number on that top
All right,
one,
here we
please.
go. I'm ready to win.
Keep the one you do not write on.
All right. All right, here we go. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck to me. All right, thank you. Here we go. Here we go. They're about to draw the winner. Oh, you dropped some on the floor. You dropped some. That could be mine. Let's see. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Come on. Not me. All right, I'm out. All right, so we didn't win the drone, but up next is the Samsung Booth. No drone. Look, we're all disappointed here, but we're about to have some fun right here at Samsung. Whoa, look at what we got here. Look, we got the micro LED TVs over there. We got some stuff over here. Let's see what we got going on over here. Future home experience. Okay, so this is gonna be all of our smart home stuff. Look at this. Beautiful setup they actually got going on right here. Got the huge TV over there. Samsung Smart LED signage. Look at that. So Samsung pretty much always does it big with their booths, which is one big reason why I like coming to this specific booth. You know, aside from the TCL one, I mean, you got a lot going on here. They definitely got a lot going on here. A huge setup. And I'm currently walking towards the, looks like we got all the smartphone stuff. And I actually want to check out the S21 FE because it was just announced. So hopefully they will have it out here. Actually, they do. Right there, S21 FE. Let's check it out. So here it is, just a quick look. I will, you know, make a separate video on this, but just taking a quick look at it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the camera setup right there. So it looks like it's almost just kind of merges into the back of the phone. All right, all right. Feels really light in the hand. Actually feels really, really light in the hand. I believe it's a full plastic build. Man, this is super light. But I mean, when you're looking at the front, it's pretty much going to look like, you know, your Galaxy device. I have a S21 Ultra right here. Let's see, there's a huge difference looking at both. Of course, the size is going to be different. It's a little bit smaller, but I mean, pretty much almost looking the same in the front, honestly. But I will have a separate video on that, so y'all make sure you stay tuned for that. This is not a review video. This is a vlog, and check out the rest of this setup here. Oh, they even got more stuff going on back there. Let's see what's back there. All right, so they're showing some of their TVs back here. Look at this, launch your private cinema in 4K. Man, that thing's huge right there. That would be nice to have in my living room. I would love to have that right there. The freestyle. Okay, this is something that they announced yesterday at the keynote. So look at this. They got 3 of them set up right here. They're pretty much a projector. And look at this, going straight down on the TV, making it look like we got, you know, just stuff going on down there. Looking really cool, actually. And it's actually making it look like we have a mat on the table right there. And we actually don't. You can see it's just a projector. You got one right here. Wow, and it actually looks pretty clear. It actually looks pretty good. And this is what it looks like right there. I'm gonna have to get one of these for myself. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And you can actually rotate this way or that way. I don't want to touch it. I don't know if I'm allowed to or not. Ooh, look at this. This is what I have been wanting to check out. This new monitor right here. It actually rotates from this way to this way. Really, really cool setup here. Look at this. It's a perfect gaming monitor. And then you can switch it up and have it rotate that way as well. Super, super cool. Yo, what? What is this over here?
It's putting different...
Wait. Oh, damn. It's putting the phones together. Look at this.
It's changing the color.
Oh, it's changing the color on the Z Flips. Look at this. What? Woo, so definitely a lot going on there at the Samsung booth. Yo, what did you think about that Samsung booth?
Yo, the phones are clean.
Right. And the whole setup, right?
The Odyssey art. Check out the Odyssey art. Super dope.
Definitely. This is his first time to CES too. So he's never seen anything like this. But, you know, when it comes to the whole Samsung booth and all that, and then that guy's back there doing his own thing.
It's exciting though.
Yeah, it's definitely, we've been having a good time. But
Need some food.
yeah, we need some food in our bodies. All right, so we've got our food, and check it out. We found some more guys here. Be nice and introduce yourself.
I am Scott Peachy with Technically Speaking. Engage English Hammer.
There we go.
Adam Matlock, Tech Odyssey.
Also known as the Mario Hat guy.
That's me.
Tech 702, Outcast.
All right.
Sleep is dead.
Yeah. Kevin Breeze, and look who it is.
True.
What's up, what's up? And you know these guys right here. All right, so we got to see a lot. We had a good time. Saw a lot of interesting things, but we're exhausted. We're about to head back to the hotel. We've done so much walk. Wait, I can't even see if you guys can see me or not on the screen. The sun is so bright in my face. Can you guys see me? There we go. Now, well, I can see myself in the viewfinder, but yeah, it was fun. We got to do a lot, but it was definitely very, very tiring. If you're ever going to come to CES, make sure to wear some comfortable shoes.
Good sneakers.
Yeah. Otherwise, your feet are going to be killing you. But we're about to head back to the bus right now, head back to the hotel, get a little bit of rest. I might go to another event called Showstoppers tonight. I'm really not sure. It just depends on how tired I am or not. But I don't know. We'll see. Woo! Well, as you can see, made it back to my hotel. My armpits be sweating. Sitting down, eating some food. Got some french fries right here. Just finished my burger. Got a milkshake. Chocolate peanut butter right here. This thing is bomb. But I am exhausted. It's been a long day. And the day's not even, it's barely 3:43 p.m. But I'm ready to end the vlog right here because it seems like it's been a super long day at CES today. And then we got another event going on tonight. So I'm going to finish this food, try to get a little bit of rest before the next event tonight. I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. It's been a fun day. We got to see a lot, but I'd love to know what you guys think about my overall CES experience so far, at least what I've shown you guys here on camera. There was so much more that we got to see that I didn't record because this would be like an hour-long video if I did that, or maybe even longer than that. There's definitely tons to see there at CES, but definitely a fun time. A lot of interesting things as well. Got to meet a lot of cool people, not only today, but yesterday as well. Got to meet a lot of cool people that I have been wanting to meet in person, but never really had the opportunity. And each one of them were great as well. The same people that you see in their videos, they are the same people even when they're not recording. So very cool people. And it was definitely an awesome opportunity. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below because this was vlogging on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So let me know what you think about the overall camera quality. Also, what you think about the sound quality, because everything was recorded using the internal mics on this device. I didn't use any external mics or anything like that. Just a small handheld tripod and this device. And the whole video will be edited on the Google Pixel 6 Pro as well. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you want to see more videos like this, more vlogs here on the channel, just let me know. I have a lot of fun doing it, to be honest. And I'll probably do another one tomorrow with another device. I don't know. We'll see. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for that. But leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it, find it helpful. Again, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. Had a lot of fun today. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out. I'm about to finish this food right here.